Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to just be showing you a little bit of what I did for fall. We don't have a lot of like fall things here in Ecuador, so I kind of just did what I could. So yes, I already decorated and I'm going to show you. So if you want to see, make sure that you keep on watching. So we have these right here. I got this idea off of Pinterest and it's a mason jar with a candle inside with popcorn kernels. And it was actually a really cute idea. Now that I have it up there, I think it's super cute. I put up this thankful and blessed. I printed it out on like sticker paper and just stuck it on the canvas. And this picture right here was already here, and it goes pretty much with the wall anyway. Over here, I got a picture frame and I printed out this pumpkin picture, and I have a gingerbread candle ready to light. I also printed these out as well. Give thanks with a grateful heart. And then this one also. I put this little banner up here. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Happy fall, y'all. But I think I love fall most of all. So I put that there. And this is my table. Excuse the mess on the floor, it's laundry. With the placemats, the baby keeps moving them, or the big boy. These are pumpkin candles, and we just wrap some twine around. And this was all I could find as far as some type of flower. That's all I could find so far. So I still have time to see what I can find. And I was so lucky to find this tablecloth and at a reasonable price. I'm thankful for that because everything is so expensive here. Okay, so we have this little wine thing right here. Yeah, that's Chucky. So I went ahead and printed out some paper and made little mason jars that say fall on them. So I thought that that was cute. Unfortunately, we could not find any dish towels that had to do with fall. That's our neighbor, sorry about that. So we went ahead, my husband picked the 3 colors to go together, and we just got this in orange. So that's all I got. It's what I was able to get up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys.